This is the MagMeet indoor and outdoor unit. When we turn it on, it starts. It has started working at 16 degrees temperature, and its indoor fan motor has also started. Now normally, what happens is that since the AC's outdoor unit is installed outside, whenever an error occurs, we usually say that it is likely an outdoor error. Look, the F6 error appeared here and it shut down, and now it has restarted. Now look, this unit is shutting down automatically on its own. I am checking for any loose connections here, and look, there are no loose connection points because its power cuts off suddenly, and it also shows the F6 error. So as I look at the backside of the PCB, look, almost all the joints are completely solid, and if we look near the relay, it is also completely solid. I don't see any issue there either. And look at the line, its common point comes here, and the neutral is common here, and from here it also goes to the outdoor. And there is one wire for the indoor as well. Look, it has come here. So we will check these connections to see if there is any loose connection, but there is nothing like that here. Now let's trace this fault. I am plugging in the power again. I plugged it in, and the sound of the power connecting is audible, and the clicking sound of the relay switching has also occurred. However, if we look at the outdoor unit, there is no power reaching it. Look, this LED turns on, but the outdoor unit is not turning on. Now, we will use this multimeter. Look, I have set it to AC voltage. And what we will do is place the black probe here on the neutral point. And similarly, look, this is the common point where the input comes, the main power arrives, so we will check it against that. So look here, we are getting 240 volts AC here. It is perfectly fine. But when we check the output of this relay, even though the switching sound has already occurred where the power is supposed to go to the outside, let's see what happens. So look, we are not getting any kind of voltage here, even though it is switching. This means that this relay is not properly joining together. It is not able to make the connection, which is why electricity is not reaching the outside. We will remove this relay from here. So, I have removed the old one, and I will install this new relay into it. I have provided power to the system again. I have applied the electricity, and look, the display has turned on, and the outdoor unit is also on. Look, its LED is glowing now. This means it is turned on. And besides that, let's see, look, the 16-degree temperature has also appeared. Now, we will check in DC mode on the neutral and signal wire, which is number 4 here. Look here, the proper fluctuation is happening in it. This means that this system has now started working properly. And look, the error has changed now. The F4 error has started appearing, which is a sensor error. This means our system is now fixed.
Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos. And subscribe. Thank you.